Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll talk about Jira Data Center search indexing. To provide fast searching, Jira reads indexes the text entered into issue fields. These indexes are stored on the file system and updated whenever piece of text is added or modified. They are called license indexes because they are provided by a third-party library with that name. Synchronizing these indexes, Jira keeps all the copies of the indexes up to date automatically. The synchronization is not fully synchronous but aids for eventual consistencies, which means that there is some delay before the index changes are seen on other nodes in the cluster. Now, to start with this, you need to have Jira admin permissions. Before proceeding further, I have a big announcement for you. If you wanted to become Jira for Scrum Master and Project Managers, or if you wanted to learn Jira for Scrum Master and Project Managers, you can always refer my this course, which is highly curated for Scrum Master and Project Managers. In this course, you'll get to learn each everything in detail and without missing any concept will quickly become a Scrum Master and Project Managers. This is not only intended for Scrum Master and Project Managers. If you want to start as end user or testers, you can also enroll this course. With the nominal charges, you can get certified within Jira. So after this course, you will get certifications. You can easily start your journey in Jira. Otherwise, if you wanted to learn about Jira and APIs as well as integrations or third-party add-ons, you can always refer on my channel where I have created more than 300 videos on Jira tool. Now, about this topic, let's get started. Here, once you will enter a login into your data center version, simply click on this setting icon, click on system. Here you have to add password. Now, once you will enter your password, you need to navigate it down and from here you will see indexing. So the re-indexing concept, either you can use background re-indexes or full re-indexes. Whichever options you want, you can do the indexing. If you want to edit the index recovery, you can click on or off. If you want to enable or disable it, recovery, you can keep on or off. Scheduling, you can also schedule it on specific interval like daily, days per week, days per month, or advanced, where you can set multiple time frame. And once you're done, you can click on update. So this is about it. And if you want to replace the current indexes with a backup, then apply required index updates. Jira will be unavailable for short period of time, and after that, these indexes are replaced. And here you have to add the file name and then recover it. So this is how you can edit, modify, as well as do the reindexing, background reindexes and full reindexes. Both are possible. As a part of best practices, whenever you are doing reindexing, make sure none of your team members is working on these. Otherwise, whatever data or informations they are in between it might got crashed and you have to take a backup of it. Otherwise, you might lose some of the information. As a part of best practices, let's consider if server is down, network is down, and backup was not done properly, probably you will lose some of the informations. So as a part of best practices, it's always suggested to first read your backup and post that start re-indexing. Otherwise, you will lose some of the data. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to share within your circle. And if you want to learn any specific topic which is not available on my channel, feel free to add in the comment sections. We'll definitely come up with videos based on the demands. Thank you for watching. Till then, deep learning.